Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make pizza on the grill. I'm going to show you two different ways. So let's get started. I'm going to use already made crust, Pillsbury, and it's the dough sheet. Maybe on another day, in another video, I'll show you how to make grilled pizza with roast bread. But for now, I'll show you these two ways. So let's get started. Always preheat your grill. Okay, so let's start with aluminum foil. And your most important thing is to use spray. Make sure it's sprayed or your pizza will not come off of the aluminum foil. Okay, so this is the dough sheet. You pull it around like this and it'll pop right out of there. Boom, there it went. See, just keep on rolling it. Take it right out of there. Lay it on your, let's roll it. And then keep this in the refrigerator because if you don't, it'll get sticky and you won't be able to unroll it. Okay, that's the first one. I'm just going to put it on the hot grill. Okay, you want it to be hot because you want it to cook the pizza dough. If you start it and it's warm, it'll just sit there and then the pizza dough will be all stretchy and chewy. So I'm going to also, it's on high, and I'm also going to shut the lid for a minute. And if you have to watch it because if you don't, it will burn quickly. I have two burners on and one burner off. So I have the first left burners on. My third one, I didn't feel like I needed it. Okay, I'm just going to check. It's been like 30 seconds, but I'm going to check. You want it to, see, very stretchy. You want it, I should be able to just lift this up. Like I shouldn't have to like do anything. It should be stiff enough and baked enough that I could just lift it right up. Okay, I could tell just by trying to lift it, I could tell it's starting to get done. It's been, I bet you 2.5 minutes. So you will know when it's done. When I can lift that up straight off the aluminum foil, you'll know it's done. See how it's getting bubbly? See how it's bubbling up and stuff? That means it's getting done. Okay, see how I'm lifting up? See that? How nice that is? That is done. I'm gonna pull it off the burners so I can show you. See how it looks? Isn't that gorgeous? So now I'm gonna flip it over. Okay, so I pulled it off the grill. See how I can lift it up? Oops, see how I can lift it up? That's it. See what it looks like? I'm going to, just to make sure that this does not stick, I'm going to spray it again. Okay. So now it's still on aluminum foil. Okay, so now I'm going to put it on the tomato sauce. Now, another key tip is don't saturate it in the tomato sauce. It will make it too wet. So I took a ladle and I put it in the middle. Just keep spreading it out. Back and forth. I used about a ladle full of tomato sauce. out to the end. Now I can still see the pizza. I can still see the pizza bottom. I don't have it like covered in, I mean, I have a good amount on, but I don't have it soaked in spaghetti sauce. And this is off-brand from the White Store, and it's the best. And now I'm going to put on some cheese. Now you can put on pepperoni, mushrooms, whatever you want to put on. But I'm going to just keep it simple for the video. You put a little bit, lot of cheese, a little bit of cheese, whatever you like. Okay, so now I'm just going to put the whole aluminum foil and I put it back on the hot grill. You're going to do the same thing. You want to watch for the cheese to melt. You want to watch so the bottom doesn't burn. And you can just keep on lifting it up because you can see now. Your key and most important, I'm going to shut the lid now. One of the tips I can give to you is you have to use that spray because it will not come off the aluminum foil. It will not come off the grill. So make sure, handy dandy spray. Let's give it a look. Of course the cheese is not melted. Let's look at the bottom. Oh, the bottom is getting brown. If that bottom is starting to get brown, now remember, the first two burners are on and the last burner is not on. I'm going to move it over off the burner. Okay, I am going to turn it. And see, that's a little. This corner doesn't look as done as the other parts. You can judge. So the one side doesn't look done as well as the other side. So I put it on the off burner and a little bit over on the second burner. And now I'm going to turn off the middle burner. I'm going to turn it off. I do not want this pizza to burn. Check it out. See what it looks like. Looking good. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Can you see it? See that? So this is oregano. I'm going to put some on there. Press it up a little bit. Looking good. Some garlic sauce. And for those who loves hot, some fresh red peppers. And there you go. A little quicker. There we go. It's hot. I'm just going to dump it straight onto the grill. See? It's about. So that went right on there. Okay, I'm going to shut the grill. This one's, you have to watch very closely. Shut the lid. When it's brown, I might turn it down a little bit. Let's check it. It's been about a minute. Oh, it's already. So I'm going to turn the burners off and shut it for another minute because I do not want this to burn. Oh. I think I'm going to pull it off of there. Okay, I'm going to slide it over to the burner that's off. And I'm going to see how quick that was. And that was about a minute. So I'm going to slide it to the other side, to the grill that is turned off, and let it in there for another minute so it can sort of bake the dough. Okay, so let's check. Okay, that side looks excellent. That side looks great. Okay, so I have the first burner on, and I want this to bubble up a little bit more. And then we'll flip it over onto the hot grill, and then we'll add all the ingredients. Okay, so now I'm going to put it back onto the hot grill on the other side, and I'm going to add the ingredients right on the grill. Let me just spray this one more time because I do not want this to stick. See what it looks like? It looks like almost like a pizza done on the oven. Okay, so I only had one burner on. I just turned the other burner on because when I flipped it over, it kind of centered itself between the two burners. Okay, so now I'm going to add tomato sauce. Okay, the grill is really hot, so I'm going to turn it down to medium. Remember I said don't oversaturate the pizza with too much sauce. See how I can still see the crust? You put a little, a lot, as much cheese as you want. Put pepperonis, mushrooms. I just wanted to keep it simple so you could see the video. Before I even close it, I'm going to check the bottom of this thing so you don't want it to burn. You got to remember it was cooking while I was putting on the tomato sauce and the cheese. So I think I'm going to keep it down, shut the burner, and check it on in about 30 seconds. See now how I can slide it? I'm sliding it off the burner, the first burner. So now it'll just cook with the heat of the grill because I left on the first burner. On it, some garlic salt, oregano, When you put it straight in the grill, it has like a crunchier crust, which I like. Very good. Okay, on to the next pizza. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do the other pizza. Now, pizza, I can pick it up with my hands. It's already cooked. So actually what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just put all the ingredients on the dough, and then I'm going to put it on the grill. Now, you can put it straight onto the grill, but I got this handy dandy rack. So this time I'm going to put it on here, just for shits and giggles, whatever you call it. So, if you're going to put it straight in the grill, keep it on medium. The camera was off when I was showing you how to make the pizza. The only thing you really need to know is when you put on the tomato sauce, you do not need to soak this pizza dough in pizza sauce. Probably a good 3 tablespoons would be good enough. But make sure you spread it out and make sure it's like you can see the pizza dough. You don't want it drenched in tomato sauce, because if you do that, it's going to get soggy and put on your cheese, your pepperoni, your tomatoes, whatever you love, on mushrooms, whatever you like. Let's say I didn't have the rack. You just take the whole pizza, just put it straight on the grill. Keep it down to about a medium. You don't want the bottom to burn. You want to make sure you check it in about 5 minutes. All you have to do is the cheese is melting and everything's getting crispy. So let's give it a try. Now I'm going to put mine back up on the rack. Okay, so I'm going to put some, now this is what my family likes, some crushed peppers. Some crushed peppers, yum, 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 yum. Some garlic salt. And some oregano. Now if you like, you can put Parmesan on here, whatever things that you like. You could have put mushrooms, everything that you love. Right? Delicious. This one's very easy to make. The crust is already done. All you do is throw on your favorite toppings and throw it on the grill and it's ready to go. Thanks for watching my video. Stop by again and don't forget to subscribe.